What are you going to do, baby?
Eat your lunch, Polly.
You can go where? Mommy, you can take baby home? Baby Victoria. She sure is pretty. Can you give her a kiss on the cheek? Can you give a baby a kissy? Can you kiss her on the cheek? On the forehead? Can you give her a kiss? Can you give her a smacky racky? Say hi, baby Victoria. Is that who? What's her name? Huh? Vicky? Vicky. She sure is pretty, isn't she? I love you. I love her. That's precious, Hazel. What'd she say? What did she say?